So you're going to Xcelerate Summit 2021. Great choice.
Let's walk through the new virtual platform so you can have your best Summit experience from day one. We'll start in the Lobby tab. This is really your home base. This is where you're going to get all the latest updates straight from the organizers. You can check your notifications up here on the right, explore who's online, and you can even strike up a conversation in the public lobby chat. Next, we'll go to the Sessions tab. Here, you can scroll through all the events, talks, and VIP experiences available to you. You can also filter sessions by things like track and format. Clicking on a session will open more information, including speakers and a full description of what you can expect. Share your interest by using the social media buttons or add the session directly to your calendar. The Networking tab is where you can find and connect with other Summit attendees, have a private chat, or set up a group chat. You can also reach out directly to speakers. This year, it's easier than ever to get in touch with business leaders from across Simcoe County to create lasting relationships. And finally, the Account section. This lets you customize your profile, add a photo, an About Me description, your social handles, and more.
Xcelerate Summit 2021.
Virtual means you can choose your own adventure, pop in and out of sessions without being noticed, and connect more than ever. Xcelerate Summit, sparking business minds to grow and connect. See you soon.